Hello, welcome back to our channel. You're here because we're going to show you how to the back bumper on this OBS. And let's check out this process. I'm sure you've been watching the videos as we going through this restoration project. Winter's upon us now, so now we're going to have to move inside. Hope you enjoy it, and let's continue with the next step of this project. Now, most likely you just saw the video pulling out these fuel tanks and the fuel lines and everything, and we are preparing ourselves to start removing the back bumper. Let's keep moving on. Now, I can't believe that these bolts come out without a wrench on the back side. Guess it's because of this inside the frame. Maybe that grabs a hold. That was probably for quicker for when that was back in the semi line. Okay, I'll let one bolt in there and go to the other side, which is amazing that that bolt comes out without a wrench on the other side. Not sure if I mentioned, this takes a 21mm socket. And then the front bolt. And you have to be careful, the thing just dropped off like this. And there you have it. And this bolt, it's not here. It must be spot welded in there the way it looks. So that explains why I didn't need a wrench on the inside. And like I explained before, there's little teeth or something on this bolt that grabs a hold of the frame. So now we should be able to get in here a whole lot better around there. And I will continue cleaning when I have it here, and then I'll have Levi help me. So I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Right, Levi? Yep. And you have yourself a great day, and we'll be back with the fuel tanks next.